I'd like to welcome today here at the Electronica Christian Tewood. He is Development Manager DLP Pico with TI. Welcome, Christian.
Hello, Carolina.
Christian, what is the TI DLP technology?
So Texas Instruments DLP Pico technology is an imaging device based on microscopic mirrors. So we are coming from a cinema technology. So Texas Instruments created in 1996 a DLP cinema chip, which is a fairly big MEMS, as you can see. And now we are bringing to the market what we call DLP Pico, which is the same core technology, but on a very small form factor. So you can see the difference of the chip. And
Huge difference.
Huge difference. And when you shrink this technology to a smaller projection unit, you can reach smaller products. So for example, I have a projector here, so you can see that it's a very tiny solution. So here you have it as a standalone product, but you can imagine that it can be embedded in a smartphone or in a tablet.
Mm-hmm. And how has this DLP technology evolved over the past years?
Well, a decade ago, developers, engineers were disassembling projectors to have access to our chip, because we were only working with the projection market. Today we are changing that, and a lot of development kits, what we call EVM, are available on our TI.com website. So developers have access to the technology directly on our website. They can ask questions, they can order development kits, they can access the data sheets. So today developers can really use this technology not just for projection, but for any applications where they need a display.
For a wide range of applications. And what do you think was the major benefit for developers, the highlight?
So of course, as I showed you, the size, I mean, we are able to have a very tiny, small form factor. A lot of advantages are also in the projection technology. So you can project on any form, for example. It's easy, it can be a square or non-square pictures. You can project on a 3D object. You can use the projected image as a touch screen, like we see in a new product which was launched just last week by HP. So you can have touch with a projected image. So you have a very wide variety of consumer benefits that can be used in different products, which can be aftermarketed, near-eye display, or others.
And what about power consumption?
So one of our key targets is to be power efficient. So to use as less power as possible with the highest brightness possible. So there is always a trade-off, but today it's used in smartphones, tablets, and we know that these products are very power consumptions focused. So you can use, for example, a projector in a smartphone for 2 hours easily.
Great. And how can developers leverage the TI ecosystem?
So Texas Instruments makes the DLP Pico chip. Obviously, we have strong partners around that, like LED manufacturers, optical engine manufacturers, that can help developers depending on the time to market they want to achieve, if they want to go faster, if they have more time for development. So the ecosystem we have in place with TI makes it easy for engineers to access, for example, a development kit, but also to talk to optical manufacturers to really target specific applications. So by going on TI.com, they can access a lot of information, talk to us, talk to our partners, and with all these partners in place, we believe that it's easy for engineers to develop new solutions today.
Okay, thank you, Christian, for this interview and for the insights in your company.
Thank you very much.